Hello all, welcome to 4S Biology channel. So we are starting a new crash course, that is Ncert review series, that is one day and one chapter series for biology. So it will be helpful for Neet, Kcet and both students. Here I'll be teaching line to line Ncert with tricks, and also this course will be in Kannada and English language, as I would like to help the Kannada medium students also to score big. So the target for this is I'll be teaching NCRT line to line. The whole NCRT of each chapter will be covered on the same day. And I hope you all know that in NEET, the majority of the biology questions come from NCRT, which in this series you'll be able to score 350 plus. And boards also, NCRT is the main book which you have to study. So you'll be able to score 90 plus and KCT as well 50 plus. So this would be in the form of recorded lectures. So as this is a one day, one chapter, we all know that class 11th has 22 chapters in biology and class 12th has 16 chapters in biology. So there are total 38 chapters in which I'll be covering in 40 to 50 days. I've given gap for revisions as well. And the DPP of the each lecture will be available on the Telegram, and the link is given below in the description box. So the sequence of chapters would be, first I'll be starting with the class 12 chapters to help the board students first. Then class 11 chapters will be done. So this is starting from today, that is 19th January. And first I'll be starting from reproduction in organisms, then sexual reproduction in flowering plants, human reproduction, reproductive health, and so on. So the whole class 12 will be completed first. It will be helpful for both the second PU board students also. Then I'll be teaching class 11th. So thank you, and please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss out any notification regarding the lectures. I'll be uploading the recorded lectures each and every day so that you'll complete the same chapter, and you have to practice it with the DPP which I'll upload it in the Telegram group. Thank you all.